Children, welcome back to my class. I'm going to teach you the subject general knowledge, okay? Children, you're going to learn something about the animals, children, yes? Yes, that is domestic as well as wild animals, okay? Children, I hope all of you are well aware about the animals, yes? Okay. We rear some of the animals at home, children, yes? Yeah, that we call it as pets because we keep them in our house, okay? And certain animals, okay, children, that we cannot rear at home, okay? So those animals will live in the jungle, okay, that they live in the forest, okay? So there are various different varieties, okay, of these animals. One is called domestic means house, okay? We can rear that very easily, okay? Domestic, okay? Then the wild animals, they normally live in the forest, okay? That's in the jungle. Yes, children? Okay. So do you want to know which are the wild and the domestic animals? Yes. Okay. Now let us learn about these things, okay? Now let me show you one picture, children. See, here it's a jungle, okay? Can you find the animals here? This is a total animal world, okay? It's only the animals here we can find in this picture, okay? Can you find the picture, certain animals, okay? What is this, children? This is giraffe, okay? It's having the long neck, okay? Yes, it's one of the longest animal here, okay? And this is giraffe, okay? And see the elephant. This is a very heavy animal, okay? We can't lift the animal so easily. It's very heavy. It's having one trunk, yes, okay, and it's having some two tusks, okay? Okay, so this is elephant. See this tiger. See, how is it? This is a ferocious tiger, okay? It's one of the very cruel animal. It always need the flesh of animals, okay? It's not a vegetarian, okay? It's a non-vegetarian. It always eats the flesh. It demands for animals, okay? So see, how is it? It always like to taste the blood of animals, okay? This is tiger, okay? It has some patches in its body. See, black patches you can see, okay? Yes. See here, one butterfly, small butterfly. How is it? Yes, it normally goes near to the flowers and it will collect the what is that, honey from that, okay? Yes. Now see one more, bear. Have you seen this? Have you seen the Animal Planet, children? Yes, you can see the live animals over there. Yes. Okay. See, bear. Bear means karadi. Okay. Normally it will be black or brown in color. Yes. Then see, goat. Have you seen the goat? Goat normally we can rear that in. It's one of the domestic animal that we can rear it in our house. See one more animal, dog. How is it? Dog. Okay. Dog we normally keep it as a pet. Okay. Do you have a dog? Yes. Okay. Children, those who rear the dog, okay, they normally keep a name for that. Yes. Okay. When we call by its name, okay, it will come wagging its tail, right? Yes. So it's one of the very loyal animal we call, okay? If we give and if we show them love and care, okay, it will protect us, okay? When we come, what it will do? It will just wag its tail, because it shows that we know, it normally says that it knows us, right? Okay, when somebody stranger comes, okay, when it has not seen them earlier, then it will bark loudly, right? How it will bark? Pow, pow, wow. Okay, so see, that's a dog. And see the zebra. How is it? Zebra, its color black and white, okay? It's also one of the wild animal, okay? Then see the cow. How is it? Cow, you may be rearing this cow at home, right? Cow normally gives us milk. Yes, yes, and it's one of the very useful animal. Cow, we call it as kamadenu, right? Because with the help of cow, okay, nothing goes waste. Okay, everything what it gives to us is something precious to us. Okay, we drink milk. Yes, yes, from the milk we make lot of milk products like ghee, buttermilk, and then curd, and those stuffs we do. Yes, then the cow dung of the cow dung, segani. Okay, that what we do, we use this as we use that for the plants and the flowers. Okay, for the trees. Okay, so that it can give more flowers, right? That's one of the manure or a compost we call. Okay, that's also very good. Now, so cow is one of the very good animal, and it's cow dung. Yes, all those stuffs we use in our house. Okay, next, see the next animal. It's not the animal. Okay, it's just an insect. See, ant. It's a very small ant. Okay, but don't think the ant is very small. Okay, if it bites, have you ever got the ant bite? Yes, the pain is very much, right, if ant bites you. Okay, so we can't consider it as a very small insect. Okay, yes. See, lion is also like he is the king of, we call generally lion as the king of forest. Okay, because he is the one who will lead everyone, it seems. And even lion is also very ferocious. Okay, lion. Okay, it has got all the, what is that, hairs here. Okay, have you seen that? Yes, fur, which has more fur in its fur in the body. And see this sheep. What is that? Sheep is a domestic animal. Okay, sheep and goat. Okay, these are all the domestic animals. Then see, rat. How is it, rat? Rat is very small. Have you seen the rat? Do you have the rat at home? Okay. Rat will bite all the papers, cloths, and those small items, plastics, everything it can eat. Okay, it will bite because its teeth is very sharp. Okay. Now, see this gorilla. How is this gorilla? Have you seen this? Have you seen this live? Okay. Children, have you visited any time the zoo? Okay. You can visit the zoo along with your parents. Children, you can find the live animals over there. You can see them. Yes, how they behave. Okay. Have you seen the gorilla? How does it do normally? It will act like a human being itself. Yeah, right? Okay, so gorillas are almost similar to man. Okay, all their activities, okay, that are very similar to human beings. Okay, children? Yes. Now, see this monkey. How is it? Monkey always jumps from one tree to the other. Yes, always jump. And why it jumps? Because it will be in search of fruits. Okay, it will eat the fruits every time. Yes, monkey. Okay, and it always make mischievous things. Okay, if you keep certain things there, it will just carry and go. Okay, then you will come and search here and there. Okay, so it's always a mischievous animal. Yes. See the parrot. How's a parrot? Parrot is always green. Yes, and it has one red color beak. Okay, yes, that's a parrot. Okay, yes, parrot can speak, children. Yes, if you try to say your name in front of the parrot, okay, and if you teach how to say, then it can even say like that. Yes, parrot can speak. Okay, yes. Then eagle. See the eagle. How is the eagle? Eagle is a bird of prey because it will always search for the flesh of the animal. Yes, yes. But it will fly. Even though it flies very high, children, it can see the things which is very far because it has a very sharp eyes. Okay, it can even see all of those things. Okay. Yes, see then one more animal. What is that? Horse. Okay, okay. Horse normally we call as a domestic animal. In certain cases we rear the horse. Okay, horse riding. We do horse riding. How do we do? Yes, we sit on top of this. Yes, on its back and we can just ride. Okay, and it has got a very beautiful pony. Yes, it has got a very beautiful tail, children. Yes, okay, so this is horse. See, buffalo. How is that? Ma, that we call as ma. Okay, that is she. It can give milk. Okay, yes, ox and buffalo. Okay, ox is male, buffalo is female. Okay, so buffalo can give more, give milk and those stuff. Okay, that is some in most of the houses buffaloes we rear. Yes. See few more animals. Cat. Have you seen the cat? Meow. Okay. Okay. Cat is always is a domestic animal. We rear that in our house. Okay. Cat can catch the rat. Okay. If you have the cat at home, rats will not be there because it will catch that. Yes. Okay. Then rabbit. How is that rabbit? Rabbit has two long ears. Okay, and it runs very fast. It runs very fast. Rabbit, and it has a very furry hair. Okay, fur on its body. Yes, a rabbit is somewhat looks and touching and all. It will you feel like the cat. Okay, sometimes. Yes. See the fish. What is this? Fish. Where do the fish live? Fish live in the water. Yes. Okay. If you take the fish out of the water, will it live? No, it will die because fish always lives in water. Okay, fish wants water. Okay, if you take away the fish from the water, it will die. Okay, yes. See one more animal, frog. Okay, frog also, children. Normally it will be it will live in the water as well as in the land. Okay, it can come up. Okay, but it will not die as soon when it comes to the land. Okay, so even be in the water. Okay, frog. Yes. So children, you know the frog jump, right? Have you done the frog jump before? How it hops? Frog? Yes. See, like this. It will hop. Okay. Then snake. Have you seen the snake? Snake is very long, right? It will normally move in the surface area, right? Yes. Okay, not only in the surface, any wall, any this thing, what is that? Trees, it can just move like that. Yes. Snake, there are very varieties of snake, children. Yes, and it is one of the poisonous animal. Okay, if it bites someone, okay, people will die. Yes, snake is very poisonous animal. So, and one more, fox. Have you ever heard the stories of the fox? Right? Yes, fox is always a cunning animal, they call. Okay, it always do the things from the back. Okay, nobody will come to understand what it is. Okay, so it is one of the cunning animal, fox. Okay, so children, in this picture I hope you have learned and seen many of the pictures of the animals, right? Yes. Now, let us see what is domestic and wild animals. Children, as I said you earlier, domestic animals are the animals that we rear at home. Okay, which are the animals? Okay, let's see. Okay, you have some more pictures here. Okay, let's see. What is this, children? This is ducks. Okay, This is ducks. We normally keep them as pets. Okay, pets means what? That the animals can be kept at home. Okay, there is no harm to us. Okay, if we rear those animals. Okay, it will not bite. Okay, it will not create any problem, and it will never disturb anyone. Okay, we can rear these birds and animals very easily. See, fish. Can we keep the fish in our house? Yes, we can take some container of the vessel or like a jar like this, and we can keep the fish. Okay, yes. See the chick, children. How is that? Chick. This is a chick. It's a very younger one of the hen. Okay, chick. Okay, chicken we call, right? We eat. Yes, these are the chicks, small ones. See the rabbit. How is that? Cat, dog, dove. See dove, dove. Have you seen this animal? Bird, dove. Parrot, rat. These are all the pets. Okay, we can rear that at home. Okay. Now let us see what are the domestic animals. Let us list out some of the domestic animals. Okay, domestic animals. Which are the domestic animals, children? It's a dog. Okay, then cat. What else? Cow, buffalo. Okay, buffalo, cow. What else? Horse. Sometimes camel also may be the domestic animal. Okay, horse. Then can we keep tiger and lion at home? No, it's very difficult. Yes, because it always demands for blood, flesh of animals. Okay, and we can't go for hunting every day, right? Okay, and it's very difficult to rear these animals. Okay, then let's write some more. Sheep. Okay, sheep, goat. See, children, sheep even can give milk. Okay, it's a she, it's a female. Goat is male. Okay, sheep is female. It can give even milk. Yes, sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, ox. Okay, so these are few of the domestic animals, and there are some birds also like parrot, then hen or chicken, chicks. Okay, hen, chicks, parrot. Okay, so rabbit. These are all the rabbit. We can add rabbit here because it's one of the animal, right? Rabbit. Okay, anything, whatever you can rear that at home. Okay, children, we call them as the domestic animals. Okay, yes. So what else you can add here? Peacock. Can we rear that at home? Yeah, it's possible to rear peacock. Okay, so this is also one of the domestic animal. Okay, so this is enough now. If you find more animals, okay, in your house, which you can keep them as the in your house, then we will add to this list. Okay, these are the domestic animals. Okay, those animals we can easily rear at home. What are the domestic animals, children? Domestic animals are the animals that we rear them at home. Okay, yes, or we can say domestic animals are the animal that we look after at home. Yes, okay, now let's see some of the wild animals. Okay, which are wild. Okay, yes, as I said you earlier, wild animals are always harmful animals. Okay, normally it will if it bites, or if it can kill even human beings also. Okay, which are the wild animals? Okay, can tiger can eat man? Yes, it can even eat human beings. Yes. Okay, so tiger is one of the wild animal. Lion, yes. Cheetah, okay. Cheetah. Next, what are the fox? Okay. Elephant, elephant, lion, elephant, cheetah, then fox, then what else? Jackal. Okay. What else? Giraffe, giraffe. Okay. What else? Okay. Rhino, rhinoceros. Okay, rhino. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Okay. Yes. Then what else? We can say hippo, hippopotamus, hippo. Yes. Okay, these are some of the few wild animals. Okay. Yes, you can even add snake. It's a reptile actually. Hey, snake. Then wolf, wolf. Yes. Is there any more? Gorilla. Okay. Okay, gorilla. See, these are the some of the few domestic animals. Domestic animals are the animals that live in the forest. Wild animals are the animals that live in the forest. Domestic animals are the animals that we look after or that we rear at home. Okay. Yes. So did you get the difference between the wild and the domestic animals, children? Yes. Okay. Children, I hope you have understood about these types of animals. Yes. And how these animals are useful, how they are harmful to human beings. Yes. Yes. So I hope you understood this class very well, and let us learn some of the interesting topics in the next class. Okay. And I suggest you to just make a list of these animals, children. Yes. Either you can collect some of the pictures of these animals, and you can stick them in your books. Okay, either in a rough book, some pages, and you can write their names below. Okay, or you can have some chart of the animal, and you can see the pictures of these animals. Okay, and I can identify their pictures very easily. And I suggest you to even watch the Animal Planet very often. Okay, so that you can find their activities, and you can see them live in the TV. Okay. Yes. And thanks for watching this video, children. I will meet you in my next class. Thank you.